8 foods you should eat daily to live longer and healthier. Want to live a long and fruitful life? What you put on your plate can have a significant impact. In addition to following a healthy eating pattern, exercising frequently and embracing other healthy lifestyle choices, the following 8 foods can enhance your health and prolong your lifespan. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get started. Introducing 8 superfoods to consume to live longer and age gracefully. First on the list we have almonds. Almonds are nature's ultimate snack. They're high in fiber, protein, and heart-healthy fats. They can also help you live longer. According to a research published in the New England Journal of Medicine, people who ate the most nuts had a decreased chance of dying from any disease, including cancer, heart disease, or lung disease. Are you a fan of almond? Next we have avocados. Avocados are more than simply a fashionable toast topping. The monounsaturated fats in avocados may help decrease cholesterol and prevent heart disease. Avocados are especially beneficial in supporting cardiovascular health, the leading cause of death in the US. Up next we have blueberries. Antioxidants, which are among of your most effective tools against aging, are abundant in blueberries. Antioxidants can reduce inflammation and help prevent illness. Flavonoids, a class of bioactive substances found in blueberries, have been linked to a longer lifespan. Next on the list is green tea. One of our favorite food for weight reduction is green tea, which has been found to boost metabolism, squelch appetite, reduce stress, and shrink fat cells. Although many people are unaware of this, it also provides anti-aging benefits. According to a British Journal of Nutrition research, consuming just 1 cup of green tea per day was linked with a 5% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease mortality, and a 4% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Since you have made it this far, don't forget to smash the like button, thank you. Let's look into tomatoes next. Your body can age quickly as a result of inflammation, which increases your risk for obesity, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Tomatoes, due to the presence of lycopene, can aid in the battle against inflammation. In addition to having anti-inflammatory effects, lycopene has also been associated with a reduction in LDL, or bad cholesterol. At number 6, we have cruciferous vegetables. They possess the extraordinary ability to modify human hormones, stimulate the body's own detoxification process, and stop the development of cancerous cells. Cruciferous vegetables are the most nutrient-dense of all the foods. Eat a variety in both raw and cooked form daily. Try some broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels, sprouts, kale and cabbage. Next on the list is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, selenium, and astaxanthin. Studies show eating salmon may help prevent heart disease, age-related memory loss, and promote longer life. Lastly, we have dark chocolate. With its high antioxidant content, dark chocolate, more than 75% cacao, may be able to prevent disease and lengthen your life. According to a review in Nutrition Metabolism, eating dark chocolate can lower your chance of developing cardiovascular disease. This is mostly because cocoa contains flavonoids, which protect cells from free radicals, reduce blood cholesterol and blood pressure, and increase blood flow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and check out description for more.